How'd that get in there?
Izzy, wanna go for a walk?
Well, yes, sometimes it's very hard to wait when mom is cooking your favorite food. The way he hit every beat perfectly is just wow. Seriously, you can never have a dull moment with a dog by your side.
In the box. Yep.
When you take your dog to the beach for a relaxing swim, but looks like he had other plans.
You can expect these kind of repercussions as long as you keep trying to poach our people.
When your dog loves veggies so much that he steals a cabbage from the neighbor's farm. Yes, you should always wipe your paws before going inside. Such a good boy.
Izzy, wanna go for a walk?
Wow, he opened the lock so easily. Looks like he had done PhD in escaping. This looks like the coolest Halloween party ever. Even the pup couldn't hold his excitement. Can I get an invitation too? I wanna join. He looks so happy. His face literally says, I'm sorry mom, but I'll 100% do it again. When you get too tired fighting over a ball, so you decide to take a nap first and continue the fight later. Well, I have the same reaction every time I see a dog too. Not all dogs bark, some just judges you silently. Who said a furry friend cannot be your teammate? He looks like a strong player. Watch out, opponent team.
We got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. Clutch, brake, gas. You ready?
You got it!
After months of hard work and dedication, this dog finally caught his own tail. Bro literally did a 180-degree turn and was like, nope, not today. It's too cold. Whoops, maybe this dog was a kangaroo in his past life.
Oh, stretch, 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 stretch. Yeah. Two. Yay.
Wow, I just had a serotonin burst watching these two cute babies having fun together. Alright, that's it for today's video. Have you ever seen a dog doing something very funny? Let me know in the comments down below. And do subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this.